Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're looking to start a side hustle in 2025, but have zero experience, this guide is for you. Whether you're a student, a full-time employee, or just someone looking to make extra income, this script will walk you through step-by-step on how to start a side hustle from scratch. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is a part-time project or business you do alongside your job or studies to make extra money. It helps you build new skills, generate extra income, explore your passions, potentially turn it into a full-time business later. Section 2. 3 things to know before you start. Mindset. Results won't come overnight. You need patience and a learning attitude. Time management. You'll have to balance it with your current responsibilities. Consistency. Even 1 hour a day can change your life if you stay consistent. Section 3. Top 5 beginner-friendly side hustles in 2025. 1. Freelancing, skills, graphic design, video editing, writing, social media management. Platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Learn for free on YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, or DigiSkills for Pakistani users. 2. Affiliate marketing, promote other people's products and earn a commission. Platforms: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Dar as Affiliate. Start with a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a TikTok account. 3. Print-on-demand part, design t-shirts, mugs, or stationery. The company prints and ships for you. Platforms: Teespring, Redbubble, Printful Plus, Shopify. You don't need inventory or delivery setup. 4. Online tutoring, teach subjects like math, English, science, or even Current online. Platforms: Preply, Cambly, Zoom, or your own YouTube channel, great for students or educators. 5. Content creation, start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram Reels page. Monetize through ad revenue, brand deals, selling your own digital products. No experience. Start with free tools like Canva and CapCut. Section 4. How to start without skills or experience, learning phase. Spend 1 hour a day learning a skill like editing, writing, or design. Use free resources: YouTube, Google, free courses, practice phase, create sample work. Build a portfolio using free tools: Canva, Google Docs, Behance. Apply phase, make a professional profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Start with small jobs, even for free or low pay, to build reviews. Section 5. Time management tips. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to your side hustle. Reduce time spent on social media, Netflix. Make a weekly plan, Monwed, learn new skill. Thursat, practice and apply. Section 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Expecting fast money. Jumping from idea to idea. Comparing yourself with others. Stick with one thing, keep learning every day. Track your small progress.
Section 7. Free tools to help you start: Canva for graphics, social media posts, and presentation chat for brainstorming, content writing, planning. Yes, me. CapCut or VN Editor for simple video editing. Google Docs. Notion for planning and writing. Remove.bg. Pexels. Free tools for creators. Conclusion. So friends, starting a side hustle in 2025 is 100% possible. Even with no experience, all it takes is a bit of learning, a few tools, most are free, and a consistent effort every day. Choose one hustle. Start today. Even one small step can completely change your life in 6 months. If you found this helpful, make sure to share it with someone who needs a push to start something new.